What's up? How are you doing today? My name is Seven, and I'm your host for Fishing 24/7. I'm going to show you what I use at City Park in Denver, Colorado to catch some beautiful bass. First, I use the 1/8 ounce jigs from Eagle Claw, and I use soft plastics from TinLizzyTackle to catch some amazing bass. Come along and witness what I catch. Please subscribe to help this channel grow. I'll catch you in a bit.
The man that needs no introduction, Mr. Seven. His YouTube page, and that's Fishing 24/7.
But the biggest thing about today is we have a special guest, simply known as Seven. Seven, we talked a little bit about fish, right? There's things that when you talk to Seven, a couple things you have to talk about. Fish, snacks, and sleep. Okay, so you're a multi-species angler. You love fish of all sizes.
That's a fish, Quinn. We've never seen one of those. Oh,
Let's see a fish.
wow.
Nice.
Yeah, that's
So
better.
cool.
Gotta start him young.
Oh, yeah.
No, do
He
it.
actually went for his first time when
Selfie
he
real
was
quick.
like 3 months, and I was weighing him.
Nice. That's awesome.
He's named after my grandpa who passed away, who was a great fisherman. He was known for it.
He's gotta keep up the legacy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, ready to release him?
Yep.
Okay.
Bye-bye, fish. That's called catch and release.
Just when I said I might have to go a different color.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. I don't know what he's got going on there, or if it's popping out of his mouth or something. All right, back to
Oh, did you get that fish?
That's what I'm talking about.
Did you get that fish?
That's nice.
You got a net?
Oh,
No, I got a fish. I got a string.
wow.
You want to play? You want to touch the fish?
Yeah.
Okay,
Is that a catfish?
it's a bass. I want you to be real careful, okay? Can you hold this? You want to help him?
Yeah. Braxton, you hold him, and we'll take a picture.
Okay, so what part do
Do you know how to hold?
No.
Just hold it real tight.
Hold this. Hold it tight.
Hold it real. No,
I just
up
want to
here,
take the picture of the lure.
Up here.
Watch
Yeah.
out, okay? Don't. Okay,
Nice
just
little-
hold it really tight. Don't let it fight you. Hold it
Got
tight with your hand.
Hold that real tight. Hold it real tight. There you go.
Smile. Big smile. Awesome. Let me take this off so he can take a picture without worrying about him getting pricked by it.
What you think about that fish, Braxton?
Wow.
It's nice. It's really, really, really nice.
Okay.
Braxton, you got.
Okay, you
Isn't
ready?
that nice that they let you do this?
Yeah.
It's a nice fish. It's got.
We're gonna let
food.
you. We're gonna give you the signal. You ready?
We're ready.
Okay.
Shut it in the water. Just shut it in the
Just
water.
put it in the water. Yeah.
He's ready to go.
Awesome. Good job.
Underneath the bark, on this little bitty pole. It said, I'm like, oh.
That's cool. Nice. Right by that area too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool. That's a nice spot too.
Yeah, it is. I mean, the fishing is kind of hard there, like it is here, unless you're here at night, honestly.
Yeah.
People don't understand that either early.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes when it gets too hot, you're not gonna catch anything.
Yeah, at all.
There we go.
Off the rocks?
Yeah. Take a picture. That'd be awesome.
Look at that fish though. I can say I've seen you and look, bam.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
Nice.
He's a big one.
Ooh, a fat one. That might be master angler right there. That's the biggest one, Daniel.
That is a
Measure this one.
measure him.
I think he's over 18.
That was a nice release too.
Woo!
Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to help this channel grow. Check out other videos on this channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep on fishing.